Welcome to Beautyistic. Today, we're diving into a product designed for anyone looking to repair and soothe post-procedure skin. The SkinMedica Procedure 360 System Power Duo. This duo is tailored for sensitive, normal, and extra-sensitive skin types. So if you've recently undergone a facial treatment or need something extra to calm and restore your skin, this might be worth considering. Let's take a closer look at what this duo offers and see if it lives up to the hype. The system includes two key components: the post-procedure repair complex and the restorative ointment. Both are designed to help your skin recover post-procedure, whether that's after a chemical peel, microdermabrasion, or any similar treatments. The repair complex is intended for use 3 times a day, while the restorative ointment is meant for your morning and evening routine. Both are gentle, hydrating, and formulated with ingredients that help support the skin's natural healing process. The ingredients are pretty impressive. The post-procedure repair complex includes aloe vera and squalane, both known for their calming, hydrating, and skin-repairing properties. Aloe vera is great for reducing irritation, while squalane provides deep hydration, leaving the skin feeling soft and plump. Together, these ingredients can make a real difference when it comes to healing post-treatment skin. When I first started using this duo, I was struck by how gentle it felt on the skin. The repair complex has a lightweight, silky texture, making it easy to apply, and I really appreciated how quickly it absorbed into my skin without any greasy residue. The restorative ointment, on the other hand, is richer, and it's great for locking in moisture, especially during the evening when your skin might need extra hydration. Both products have a soft aloe vera scent, which is really soothing, not overpowering at all. I tested the duo for a week, using it consistently morning and night, and I noticed an improvement in how my skin felt. It became less red and irritated after a minor facial treatment I had, and it felt much more hydrated overall. However, while I loved how well the products worked for my skin, I did notice that the restorative ointment could feel a bit heavy during the daytime, especially if you have oilier skin. If you do, you might want to consider using it only at night or sparingly during the day. As for value for money, this duo does come with a higher price tag, but it's in line with what you'd expect from a clinical-grade skincare brand like SkinMedica. The ingredients are top tier, and the results can be pretty impressive, especially if you're recovering from a procedure. That said, if you're not looking for something as specialized, there are other hydrating products on the market that might be a bit more budget-friendly, but don't have the same level of expertise behind them. In terms of build quality, both products come in sturdy, easy-to-use packaging. The tubes are well-designed, and I found it easy to control how much product came out, which is a big plus. Plus, the aloe vera scent of both products is refreshing, but not overwhelming, making the experience feel spa-like, which is always a nice touch. One thing I would mention is that while the product works as intended, I didn't feel the need for customer support during my experience, so I can't speak to how the brand handles inquiries or issues. That said, SkinMedica has a reputation for quality and reliable customer service in the beauty industry. Now, as for product alternatives, there are other post-procedure repair products available, some with similar ingredients like squalane and aloe vera. However, SkinMedica stands out for the clinical-grade formulation and targeted use for post-treatment recovery. If you're on a tighter budget, you might want to consider a more general soothing product like CeraVe's Healing Ointment, though it doesn't offer the same level of skin repair that SkinMedica's duo provides. So, is this worth the investment? If you're recovering from a procedure or need a product specifically designed to support post-treatment skin, I think this duo could definitely be worth it. It's effective, soothing, and feels like a luxurious addition to your skincare routine. However, if you're just looking for a general moisturizer or soothing cream, there might be more affordable options out there. If you found this review helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching, and remember, you can find the link to purchase this duo in the comments or description box. If you've used it, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.